walk under the bell tower, you will graduate in 4 years.
I'll graduate in 4 years, unfortunately.
If you walk into the bell tower with your girlfriend or anyone at 12 a.m. and you kiss, you'll get married. If you walk into there at any other time, you will not graduate in 4 years.
10 items are in there. I don't know.
There's a time capsule under the bell tower?
I don't know because I personally will not walk under there under my own superstition.
It lights up blue for Autism Speaks and green for Green Week or Agriculture Week.
I'm not ready for this.
I also have no idea because I just haven't been around there when it lights up.
Music at night. I hear it late at night.
At every hour?
Around 5 o'clock, I think, they play the Boiler Up song.